Thank you for arguing, show that you care, Chapter 8. The third ethos asset, which Aristotle called disinterested goodwill, combines selflessness and likability. You can use this effectively by relating and sympathizing with the audience out of the goodness from your heart. Libertas originally meant both freedom and frankness. So, the point is to make the audience believe you have their best interests in mind. According to J. Hendricks, caring or disinterest is the appearance of having only the best interests of your audience at heart, even to the point of sacrificing for the good of the others. Its tools: the reluctant conclusion. Act as though you were forced to reach a decision, regardless of your own opinion on the matter. Authenticity. Make the audience believe your intentions are genuine. Authenticity lies at the heart of a rhetorical character. The personal sacrifice. Tell the audience that it would benefit them more than it would actually benefit you. Dubitatio. Think dubious. Pretend to constantly question yourself. This will garner sympathy from the audience. Rhetoric puts your audience in the ideal state of persuadability. Cicero said you want the audience to be attentive, trusting, and willing to be persuaded. Remember, the best trick of all, make it seem you have no tricks. Dubitatio. Appear to be in doubt of what you will say. This does 3 things. 1. It lowers the audience expectations. 2. Makes people underestimate you. And 3. It elevates your sincerity. But remember, your goal is not to be sincere. Your goal is to appear sincere. Here are a few examples of poorly managed ethos. Jimmy Carter, cause, against consumerism, but it goes against US's values. Richard Nixon, cause, tapping phones. This violates US's values of right to privacy and fairness. Another failure. Herbert Hoover, craft, followed the traditional rules of economics and led US to further debt. Alexander Hamilton, cause, denied corruption, not virtuous. Marie Antoinette, caring, failed to connect with subjects, prioritized her indulgence over the poor. Overall, there are 3 traits of ethos: cause, craft, and caring. A few side notes to help your authenticity. While many people may be impressed with an exorbitant vocabulary, it's best to use common, everyday language. In Greece, an audience would trust a speaker using simpler words over a more refined, eloquent speaker. If you're nervous, slowly increase the loudness of your voice. It'll sound like you're gaining confidence as you speak. An argument rests on what the audience believes, not what is actually true. A subtler form of dubitatio. Speak slowly until you reach your main point, and then look straight into someone's eyes. This will convey a passionate sincerity. And thank you, that was Chapter 8.